drill. That's it. Make a little hole. Make sure when you're doing this, it only works on the tip of the client's nails. You don't want to do it on the nail bed, okay? So just keep in mind, you're gonna do it on the, and that's all you need. I'm about to do my nails like that. Hold on. I need to get this one out a little bit. There you go. And I get the big ring. Where am I? Okay, hold on. I'm sorry. You need to move this one down for just a second. And that's all you need. So your client's hand nails gonna hold it for you. You don't have to hold it. But and that's it. You can twist this. You can get the smaller link and you hook it in there. Yep. Smaller. It's come with like a different sizes, so then that way your clients want it is like hanging is longer. You get a bigger, or you can get a smaller link. However you want. Okay. So this is really cool. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this off and make it my earring. Is that cool? All right, so here